I've talked with patients for years about the impact of stress and just acknowledging that you're having difficulty achieving something that you want so much, and that is to build your family. We've also identified that the holidays can bring about an extra burden of stress. Patients have experienced an awful lot of emotional difficulty as Christmas and some of the other holidays, Mother's Day and so forth, approach. So I thought we'd talk a minute today about some things that you might do to reduce that discomfort that comes with the stress of the holidays. You have choices about how you participate around Christmas time with family and friends, and sometimes those choices need to be made not with other people so much in mind, but rather with you. If you enjoy being around family and friends who have children and that doesn't feel uncomfortable to you or make you sadder about your own situation, then by all means go ahead. But you might choose to do adult-only activities like later movies or dinners, or just to maybe not be as involved socially as you might be under other circumstances. If it makes you sad and it bothers you to be in those situations where people already have their babies and are talking about why you haven't, then just avoid them. That's okay. That's called self-protection. And we encourage you to make things as easy for you as possible. But there are some times when you really want to be just normal. You want to feel normal, and normal may be going to the Christmas activities that friends and family are having. You may find that people turn again that attention to why you don't have a baby. If they have sensitivity, they won't do that, but all of us sometimes are not as sensitive as we should be. Practice beforehand, comment like, I'd rather not talk about that right now, if you're asked directly why you aren't pregnant or why your treatment isn't working. Just give yourself a break. Usually you only have to do that once. You may even want to prepare a friend or a family member to just sort of let everybody else know that those whose business it is, that you'd rather not discuss your fertility situation. That's fine too. And most of all, remember that there's a great deal of hope no matter what your situation is. There are about 7 million people, couples in the United States that are infertile, and many of them will be helped in the upcoming year to achieve their dream of having a baby. So we wish that for you. We're going to do everything we can to help you. And in the meanwhile, have a safe and wonderful and very Merry Christmas.